Hi everyone, I'm Carl Miguel Eposi from BSCE1. Today, I'd like to discuss the lesson 18 in Physics 124, friction. When we say friction, by ito raw ay nagkakos ng interaction between the two objects. And nagrarab din siya from each other. This force is also opposite by the applied force. When we say friction, there are two types of friction. The static friction. When we say static friction naman daw, ito ay nagpo-provide ng frictional force. Frictional force. Tumutuloy by itong formula niya, F of R is equals to static friction F of N. Ang isa natin kinds of friction, ito yung kinetic friction. Kinetic friction. When you say kinetic friction naman daw, ito rin nagpro-provide ng amount regarding the force between the object para makapag-move siya relative to each other. So, F of R is equals to static friction of F of N. Kinetic friction pala. Kinetic friction F. So, para masabi natin kinetic friction, draw lang tayo ng object dyan. So, ito yung F of A natin dyan. Then, ito yung F of R. Proceed naman tayo sa example natin. I read the problem. How much force is needed to keep a 300 kilogram box moving a constant velocity of a floor level? Use kinetic friction is equals to 0.28 for the coefficient of kinetic friction, and static friction of equals to 0.33 for the coefficient of static friction. Mag-draw lang tayo ng box. So, ito yung tinatawag na F of N. Ito yung weight. Ito yung F of N natin. So, F of A. So, ang F of A natin is equals to itong hinahanap natin dyan. Ang F of A natin. So, F of N, F of A, F of R, then weight. Positive. So, summation of F of X equals MAY. So, cancel lang natin ito. Equals sa 0 siya. So, F of X is equals to force of friction minus force applied. So, cancel lang natin sa summation of F of X natin. So, force applied equals force of friction. Force of friction. So, F of A equals siya sa kinetic friction. Kinetic friction force net. So, F of A equals 0.28 divide mo siya sa 2,943 Newton. By calculating sa F of A natin, meron tayo, ipit lang natin ha, 0.28 divide mo siya sa 2,943. By calculating, meron tayo 824.04 Newton. So, F of Y naman tayo, summation of F of Y is equals MAY, cancel mo yan, 0 yan. Then, summation of F of Y, cancel, 0, equals force net minus weight. So, F of N equals sa weight equals sa mass gravity equals sa 3.0 kilogram (9.81 meter per second squared). F of N natin by calculating, meron tayong, ampit lang ulit natin, 3.0 ay 300 pa, sorry, hindi pala ito, 300 kilogram pala. 300 kilogram divide mo siya sa 9.81 meter per second squared. By calculating, meron tayo 2,943 Newton. 2,943 Newton. So, ito yung nagisagot natin dyan sa force net natin. Sa na static friction at kinetic friction.